We're already seeing a gradual drop right now, like 39, 38 degrees down to 36, a little bit at a time. We have that right now in Kalama, 38 degrees. Things are dry here, but that's all changing overnight tonight through tomorrow. So let's talk about your timing of events for tomorrow. The first thing you're going to notice right off the bat are those gusty winds out of the east, especially if you're in the Portland area or Troutdale. Wind gusts there could reach anywhere from 45 to even 55 miles per hour. Now, when you're talking about wind that's strong, even just the occasional gust, that's when things start getting knocked over. Be prepared for possible power outages related just to the wind alone. Now we're going to add to the mix. So tonight we're seeing a few light sprinkles. That turning more robust as we get to tomorrow morning, late in the morning. That also turning over to a wintry mix. Well, what's a wintry mix? We're talking about the possibility of sleet or freezing rain. Best chance to seeing freezing rain is going to be mostly from Portland to areas south and southwest, just as you're adjacent to the Coast Range. Those will be critical areas for you tomorrow and into Friday. So the transition over to snow we expect will likely happen by afternoon or late in the evening. So what kind of snow totals are we talking about? Let's take a look at some of the options that we're seeing so far in the forecast, going from Thursday night all the way through Friday night. The top end representing 10 inches, the bottom end representing 5 inches. So quite still a range of snow totals. But this is your picture for Portland, depending on when we transition over to snow, and also depending on how cold we get and how fast we get cold will give us some slightly higher snow totals as a possibility. But look at the amount of moisture that's sitting here over the Pacific right now. This area of low pressure, you can see what a nicely defined rotation right here. What we'll be getting by the time we get to tomorrow is all this moisture transported right over us, that meeting up with that Arctic air mass, which is going to give us our potential to see big time snow totals, especially in the gorge. That's where a blizzard warning goes into effect again starting tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock in the morning. Some of the strongest wind gusts will start happening midday to afternoon, gusting upwards of 55 to even 70 miles per hour possible, as you can see right there, Bonneville over to Cascade Locks. The wind continues to be offshore through Friday. This means a nice guarantee of some cold air staying with us, all that transported right there through the gorge. So what does that mean for your wind chill temperatures? We already know it's going to be cold, but that wind is really going to add another level of uncomfortable for you. As we go to tomorrow, 5 o'clock, feels like 19 degrees. That's your wind chill temperature for Portland. What happens as we dive into Friday? Friday afternoon to evening feels more like 13 degrees. Same for you with the Dalles. Mount Hood, 15. As you go a little bit further south towards Salem, it'll be nice and cold, but not quite as cold as what we're expecting in Portland. So looking at your extended forecast here, a few more showers for us overnight tonight. The timing to see that rain turn back over to snow, again, more likely from Portland out to the north and out to the east. That's your best bet. Out to the south and southwest, that's where we're seeing that freezing rain. Watch out for ice accumulations during this period. We get to tomorrow night, that's our timing to see the snow in the mix. That offshore wind continues in a big way, remember, through tomorrow and through Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we see our temperatures increase. We back off on that offshore wind. But even through Sunday, if we get enough snow on the ground for us Thursday night through Friday and even into Saturday, we could be holding on to that snow through Sunday, possibly even into Monday and Tuesday in some locations.
All right, Natasha, great time.